Hi guys, it's me Brian. So, nagugutom ako, nagugutom kami. So, parang gusto kong kumain ng noodles. So, hanap tayo ng noodles dito. Tayo. Let's go. Bis na matutulog na. So, dito na tayo. Ito. Yung noodles ang target na ako. Noodle.
Ano parang diparo?
No Thailand.
Noodles.
Noodle, noodle. Hello.
Hello.
What can I do?
One noodles, pork.
Yes, sir. Yes, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
How about you?
I have barbecue pork
Yep.
and the pork is herb and the kiwi pork. Together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two.
Together. Oh.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. You want noodle? Egg noodle and a big noodle and small noodle.
There's no noodles.
Small noodle.
Yeah.
The
Do you want the thick one?
Big one, small one.
this
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Two.
Two.
This one,
You
the
don't
big
have
one.
the noodle, the yellow noodle.
Yeah, yellow
Mama.
noodle, egg noodle.
Oh yeah. You
Yeah,
have
that's
a
it.
beef.
Beef,
Yeah.
Wala.
beef, that, okay. Beef one, egg noodle with beef, okay, and small noodle with together pork, okay?
Yes. Thank you. So, let's see. Hindi namin siya naintindihan. Oo na lang kami na oo.
Uy, ang sarap ng sayo.
Ha?
Ang sarap ng sayo.
Napaka-special ito mo.
Hindi na nagtanong pa magkano.
So, ito nga. Ito na yung food namin.
Oh, yeah.
Serve
Mag-ano?
food.
Magbabayad na ba ako? Ha? Mag-ano din?
So, let's eat!
Mamantika natin bibig.
Ayun. Satisfied kami. Nakain namin yung gusto talaga namin. So, thank you guys and goodbye!
Kasama siya.